matter where they're from, love across all lines. Like the feeling of how the seas are changing. Love is a memory. In these last days when iniquity's blazing, truth's love speaks. I need true love. How do you know? Will I what you mean to me? True love. Where does it show as I live and I breathe? True love. In the valley of the shadow, I know that you'll be higher defense. I conquer death and I conquer enemy. What is love really if it only affects one aspect of life? That's like a musician who only accepts his own musical time. That's like a preacher who only respects Sunday morning and not Saturday night. That's how this soldier can come to reflect that love is more than a man and a wife. I mean, I need true love. Where do you know? What I watch you doing to me? True love. And does it show as I live and I breathe? True love. In the valley of the shadow, I know who you be. Higher defense, I conquer death and I conquer envy. In a time of plenty, it's gonna keep me strong. Things get hot and I keep cooling, it's gonna keep me strong. When I cup is empty, it's gonna keep I strong. When I cup is full, hey, it's keep I from your temptation. Come on, true love, where do you know what I what you mean to me? True love, where does it show as I live and I breathe? In the valley of the shadow,